Another neat technique you can try is getting this like kind of harp sound, and what you'll do, this is like an actual artificial harmonic, so that's actually what we're up to. So what we'll do is actually find some notes. We'll take the A Japanese scale, we'll start at the root, so here's a few notes, and we have 7 on the G string, 6 on the B string, and 5 on the E string. So all these notes are within that A Japanese root position. So what I'm going to try is, with my hands here, I'm going to go 12 frets up. So I'm on the 17th fret of the E string, and I'm going to hover my finger over that just like I'm playing a harmonic, and I'm going to pluck it with my thumb, and that'll do this. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this string here, only I'm up a fret because I have to remain with that 12 fret distance. So this is the 18th fret of the B string, and then the 19th fret of the G string. And we can create a rhythm pattern like this. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm literally hovering over this string, and I am plucking the same string with my thumb. So I'm not pushing on the fret itself, I'm just hovering over the fret with my finger lightly touching the string. And then I will pluck the harmonic to produce this sound. And then I'm going to show you the other strings here. So it's very delicate. It's going to take you a little bit to kind of get this formation with your fingers. So just start with 1. And the thicker string is going to be easier to produce the sound. So maybe start with this G string on the 19th fret. And like I said, I'm not pushing down. That'll work, but it's not the airy harmonic sound. And you can actually move your first finger up a fret as you're playing this pattern to get even more complicated if you want. Now, just in case you're wondering, there aren't any chords that I'm going to go over that directly correlate to the Japanese scale. The reason for that is because it's technically a tonally ambiguous scale. You can use it over a major or minor tonality, but there aren't any chords that directly relate to it, since it's kind of drawn from the Aeolian scale in a way. It's probably the most versatile scale that you'll learn in this course because it can really be applied over a lot of different situations in music. So it's up to you to decide where to throw it in, but like I said, I like to blend it in with the minor pentatonic sound to give myself a little distance from the traditional blues licks that we all know and love. So use this scale over minor chords and use it sparingly, as I mentioned multiple times with any of these harmonic minor, Byzantine, Japanese, any of these exotic scales. You'll do well to blend them with scales that you're already familiar with, like the major scale or the minor pentatonic scale. So let's move along to check out some cool Japanese scale examples.